English you can live in. Table manners. I sit up straight, napkin in hand. Polite greetings make the plan. Chew with mouth closed, speak polite, I follow rules in restaurant light. Passing dishes, I say, please, thank servers for their expertise. Digital menus pop. I scroll and choose. Ordering nicely is what I use. No elbows on the table here. Good manners show respect sincere. Restaurants and cafes feel bright. Politeness always sets it right. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.